BarX Yamaha signed a new rider, and it's that guy right there in the form of Enzo Lopes, who I don't think we've seen racing this year except for WSX, or at least he hasn't been in the Supercross paddock so far. The release from them saying, quote, Toyota Redland's BarX Racing is thrilled to announce Brazilian rider Enzo Lopes as part of our 2025 250 West Coast Supercross lineup. We can't wait to see him bring his talent and determination to the track this season. Obviously, we won't see him, or as far as it says, as far as I'm reading, let's put it that way, we won't see him this weekend in San Diego, but apparently we will see him at Anaheim 2 the weekend after that. So it's going to be kind of cool to see. I mean, obviously, he's a great talent, super fast. Has had pretty bad luck with crashes and just, be able to keep a ride, but who knows? One ride can make all the difference. You get on a bike that you're comfortable with or a team you're comfortable with, and you have a good year. I mean, obviously, it being 2 rounds out of the championship, he's not a contender at this point. It's going to be get on the bike, have some good rounds, show some good speed, and then see from there. 2 rounds down, you're 50 points down at best or at worst. So there's no reason he's ever going to be even in contention in this. But you hope that he just gets on the bike, is quick, shows some speed, and maybe a top 5 podium. That'd be incredible, especially for the team. But I don't know. You guys tell me. You like the signing? Do you think it's good for them? Good for him? Are you excited for San Diego? Excited for A2, I guess, technically, when he's going to be riding. Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.